What's up everyone, Zach Calvin here. A lot going on in today's video. We have my buddy Darius' C6 Corvette that I'm doing an FDF kit, BC Racing coilover install. And of course, we have to test those mods. Also have the C5 back. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this beautiful rainy day in Florida. First thing that I'm fixing though with the C5 is the wrap. The wrap was peeling up a lot, as you can kind of see here. But it was peeling up, and the main reason for that is the paint of the Corvette had a lot of flaws that I didn't realize. It had some areas where the clear coat was cracking and things like that, and that was just causing the wrap to peel up. So I'm fixing that, taking it back to get rewrapped. It's not going to be matte black. I'm not a fan of that. It's going to be a different wrap. You guys are going to be very excited with that. So I took out all of the carpet because the carpet was all dried up and I don't even know what you would call it, but you can kind of see the residue right there. So that was a pain in the butt. We got the seats, we got harnesses coming in. The line I reran and made everything look really nice. Lowered the car. So this should be a decent fitment and not run into any issues with rubbing. I've got a front lip coming for the car. This thing is going to be sweet. And again, my goal is to give this away to one of my subscribers. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you share this with your friends. And yeah, that's a little bit about this car. So let's go ahead and hop into the C6. All right. All done, baby. Amazon just came. We got some solar lighting. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So as you know, I've been redoing the garage, and the inside lighting has been awesome, but the outside lighting definitely has been lacking. So I found this solar street light, but you can also wall mount it. So my plan is to mount it on the outside of the garage, and that should provide a ton of lighting. As you can see, ton of LEDs. Comes with the remote as well, which is really cool. And you have different lighting settings. And then, oh baby, let's get fancy. Solar panel action. All right, so there it is mounted. You can mount it on a pole or the wall. So I have it mounted on the wall. You can adjust the solar panel as well to get a better angle to capture sun. It's on automatic by default, so it turns on at night and then it's off and recharging during the day, which is really sick. And it has a couple different modes, so only $100 on Amazon, completely solar powered, so don't have to worry about electricity. And I'm gonna wait until it's a little bit darker to show you the difference with this one light in comparison to both of these lights right here. And then of course we have this thing, so I should have a motor lined up pretty soon for it. I also got some coilovers in from Max Peating Rods. If you guys haven't heard of Max Peating Rods, they've been around since like 2006, so they're kind of a newer company from a performance product standpoint. What's cool is they make tons of products for tons of different applications, and they're all super affordable. They have warehouses all over in the United States and the UK, so they can ship products really freaking fast. And as you can see here, we've got some coilovers for the 350Z. So I'm gonna be installing these. The 350Z already has a set of these on them, but since they're so affordable, rather than rebuilding the existing coilover kit, I went ahead and just ordered another set. So when you have a budget in mind like I do, because I've got so much going on, I've got the 350Z, I've got the Corvette, I've got the Camaro, this is just a great option. And that doesn't mean that it's gonna lack in performance. This is good enough for a lot of well-known motorsports drivers. Dwayne McKeever, if you guys watch any sort of drifting, specifically the European Drift Masters, I love watching that. James Dean is on there. But Dwayne McKeever runs this suspension, so I mean, if it's good enough for them, and like I said, it already has a set on the car. I've driven the car and it drives phenomenal. I just wanted to take the opportunity to refresh it. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check out the products that they have. It'll also give you a discount of the already amazing prices. So I'm gonna install those and do the motor swap, so you guys will see that in an upcoming video. The diff is already welded on that. It has stock angle, and it, in my opinion, drives pretty well for what it is. But I definitely enjoy driving that car. I want to get that back on the road. That way Nicole can practice as well. All right, so this is it at nighttime. I didn't have to program that or anything. It just automatically comes on at night and then turns off in the morning. I mean, you can kind of see the difference right there on the fence. That is crazy. Clear as day. Kind of expands to, that's actually a good example there. So you can see in the back how dark it is, and then literally turn the camera, super light out. We got Lily walking around, but yeah, only $100, doesn't use any electricity, bright as day. It's pretty awesome. So I know this video was kind of all over the place, but a lot going on. We're picking up a motor for the 350Z this weekend, hopefully, so that'll be back in action. The C5 Z06 is getting dropped off to get a new wrap this weekend, so hopefully the following week, you guys will be able to see the video on that. Again, the goal is to give away this car to one of my subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.